Hi, I'm Nigel, and today I want to show you how to use our retro templates in Collide. The retrospective templates are easy to use with guided frameworks that can help you improve teamwork by identifying what worked well, what didn't work well, and why. We recommend running a retro every few weeks or at the end of a major project milestone. Our basic retrospective template uses the following topics for discussion. What went well? What can we do better? As the facilitator, you'll want to set up your team for successfully contributing to these topics. To do that, we suggest that you add the following content to your overview page: a link to the sprint in Jira, a link to the sprint burndown chart, internal conversations where things went well, perhaps internal kudos in Slack, and where things went poorly, internal conflict or customer feedback, links to design specifications or requirements documents. After getting the space set up, invite your team and give them some time to review the information, add their own ideas, and react to each other's. You can help spur these conversations with @mentions in the comments. Give your team a few days and maybe a few reminders to populate this. If you have any team members who tend not to share in meetings or who may have conflict with one another, you may want to enable anonymity to ensure they feel safe contributing their authentic perspectives. And if your team is slow adding ideas asynchronously, we suggest scheduling a 20-minute real-time meeting for everyone to add their ideas together. After your team has shared their ideas, you'll walk through these in a real-time meeting. Set the stage by encouraging everyone to collaborate and genuinely hear each other out. Next, you can move on to discussing ideas and comments one by one to help create a shared understanding. Once contributions are understood, set up the team for voting. Now, this can be done during me time. Team members can vote on the top ideas from each topic to determine where they land and what your team agrees to for each of the topics. We recommend giving each team member 3 votes. Once everyone is clear, the team can cast their votes on their own time. With the votes final, you'll want to review the results in another we time meeting. This meeting can be kept short and is a time for everyone to be very clear on the outcomes, assign actions, and to ask any follow-up questions. Now, we found that sometimes during these meetings, people voice that they would have voted differently if they had fully understood something that may have not been clear before. If this is the case, we recommend setting up one more round of votes, then one more synchronous meeting to review the results. After the meeting, it's one click to export your actions to add to your project management system, such as Asana, Jira, Basecamp, or Workfront. We recommend doing a quick write-up to share with your team. If you recorded the real-time meeting, we suggest adding that and your write-up to the information sharing page for future reference. We think this is the best way to run a retrospective, and we hope you'll try it with your team. You can get started with this template for free at letscollide.io/retro. We also have template email, Slack messages, and calendar invite content to run the full retro, and checklists to help you facilitate a better retro on that same page.